Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you can join our little family. And in today's video, you guys are going to see our little trip to the Biltmore. Fun fact, I actually lived in North Carolina most of my life from the age of 5. And about 2 years ago, we moved out of North Carolina. And ironically, having lived in North Carolina almost my entire life, we had never been to the Biltmore. And it took us moving out of North Carolina for us to actually visit the Biltmore. So this was a really exciting trip because I had never been to the Biltmore before, and you know, if you're from North Carolina, everyone knows what the Biltmore is, so it's kind of crazy that it took us moving out of North Carolina for us to finally be able to visit. So without further ado, here is our trip to the Biltmore. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell if you want to get notified whenever we upload a video so that you don't miss any uploads. And we'll be back in the next video. Bye.